This is also about costs payable between the parties. I just want to close the loop here because I didn't fully explain one other issue, and that is occasionally, as a plaintiff in a civil lawsuit, you may be entitled to full costs, and there's two circumstances in which that could happen. First of all, as I mentioned in the previous video, the other side can make an offer that has cost consequences to you because you have to beat it. There is also the reverse principle, and that is if you make an offer to settle early in the litigation and that offer remains open for acceptance all through the lawsuit, and that offer is not accepted by the other side, then you will be entitled to full costs of the claim if you exceed the offer to settle. So again, if your offer is $75,000, the other side rejects it, that is, doesn't have to be affirmative rejection, just does nothing, and you go to court and achieve $76,000, then you will be entitled to your full costs of the lawsuit from the date of the offer forward. So beware of that as well. Basically, what's happening is that if you're acting reasonably, trying to settle your case, and the other side rejects it, then you get additional compensation and costs for that. There is also another situation in which you could get full costs, which basically depends upon the trial tactics used by the other side. Usually it's trial conduct. Doesn't have to be. It could be a little more comprehensive than that, but more often than not, it's trial conduct by the other side. For example, they did not cooperate in producing documents on discovery that are clearly relevant. They made allegations against the individual that were not proven, and more particularly, if that is the employer, makes allegations of fraud that's not proven. That's a fundamental rule. If you allege fraud against the opposing party and it's not proven, then typically a full costs order will follow based on those unproven allegations. So those are the situations. Let me check my notes, see if I missed anything. Yes, basically, the full costs order, as I mentioned most recently, is basically based on the company being nasty through litigation. It doesn't have to be just fraud allegations. So there you go. Beware, be knowledgeable, and win your case.